So hello guys. It's a harsh weather. It's raining right now. And doesn't mean I couldn't stop reading the Bible. Matthew 20:27. The advancing centuries witnessed a constant increase of error and the doctrinities put forth from Rome, even before established of papacy. The teaching of heaven and philosophers had received attention and exerted an influence in the church. Many who professed conversion still clung to the tenets of their pagan philosophy, did not like, and not only continued its studies themselves, but of their urged it upon others as a means of extending their influence among the heathen. Serious errors were thus introduced into Christian faith. Prominent among these has belief in non-natural immortality and is consciousness in death. This doctrine laid the foundation upon which Rome established the invocation of saints and the adoration of Virgin Mary from his prime. Also, the heresy of eternal torment for the finally tenement, which was early incorporated into the Catholic faith. This is the Bible I'm reading. The New Testament here. You can see that here. By the way guys, I'm not Christian. Be one with yourself. Even though I'm not Christian, that doesn't mean I don't believe in God. I believe in God, okay?